Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Before we start, we would like to acknowledge the following. First, our beloved Mayor, Mayor Maria Sheila Hanida Punapangan. Our University President, Dr. Marcel Macaris Tuya. Our Regent Ambassador, Dr. Francis Chua. And his wife, Consul Belia. The member of the Board of Regents, we have Regent Jess Varela. And his wife, Ms. Doya Varela. We would like also to acknowledge the Vice President for Administration, Professor Manfredo Marcellano. The Vice President for Controllership, Professor Jeffrey Litan. The members of the Council of Deans. The members of the Administrative Council. We have Honorable Consul Beatrice Ang. Honorable Consul Brian Ang, Mrs. Beryl Ang Lin, Mrs. Michelin Ang, Ms. Jane Kua, Mr. Jenny Kua, Mr. Wilson Lee Flores, Mr. Leonardo Singulan, the faculty of the College of Engineering Technology, our students represented by the Supreme Student Government and the local government of the College of Engineering and Technology. Ladies and gentlemen, please rise for the entrance of colors. Please remain standing for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem, followed by Doxology and Awit ng Maynila, to be rendered by UDM Chorale.
Kayang magiliw, preso silanganan, kalam ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, tuyat ka ng magiting, sa manlulupi, di ka pasisihim, sa dagat at bundok, sa simulak, sa langit mamabaw, may dinagang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal, ang Pag-isap ng matawat mo'y tagumpay na naglilingling. Ang bituin na araw niya kailan pag may di magdidilim. Lumalang araw ng ating pagsinta ay langit sa piling mo. Ang hindi kaya naman ay mga api ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Tuloy! Go! Pagsasagisod! Go! Sumunod!
Region. Ano may mga guidance?
Good! Tuloy! Go!
Almighty God and Father, Creator and Giver of life, we give you thanks and vow to seek your light through the knowledge that we gain. Impart be our King. In our dear university, grant us forgiveness for the sins we confess, and give us strength to discern what is best for ourselves and for others. Teach us to bear the grateful hearts and enlighten minds as we learn and share our needs for the greater good and brighter future of our country. All this for your greater glory. Ang ilusod naming tampok ng silanganan patungo sa kaunlaran at kaligayahan. Nasa Kanya
You may now take your seat. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the inauguration of Ambassador Francis Chua Technology Wing, which is a significant milestone for UDM as we continue to strive for academic excellence. Without much further ado, we would like to call our beloved Mayor, Mayor Maria Sheila Hani Lapunapangan, the first woman mayor of the City of Manila, for her message.
Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Good afternoon. Una-una po ay gusto kong batiin ang ating unang-una ang ating pong Regent at Honorary Consulate sa Republic of Peru, Honorable Francis Chua, pati po ang kanyang puting may bahay at mga anak, pamilya. Sa ating pong napakasipag na Pangulo dito sa Universidad de Manila, Dr. Felma Carlos Tria, at sa iba pa po mga Board of Regents, sa lahat ng mga opisyales, mga kawani, mga mag-aaral ng UDM, iba pa pong mga panauhin, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Welcome po kayo sa Luzon ng Maynila. With the continuing development and advancement of technology, it serves as a very big challenge for learning institutions to have a suitable and adequate facility, not only for the students, but more for the teachers. Kailangan nating makasabay sa takbo ng mga pagbabago sa iba't ibang larangan at disiplina. Kaya nga napakalaking tulong itong pasisinayahan natin ngayong hapon na technology wing dito sa Universidad de Manila na naikasatuparan sa mabuting kalooban ni Regent Francis Chua. Maraming salamat. Pero hindi po doon tapos ang lahat. Hindi lamang po mga makabagong computer units ang ibinigay niya, kundi pinaayos din po niya 3 computer laboratories. Dinamay na rin niya ang 4 na lecture rooms. Sinama niya pati comfort room. Binago rin po niya yung mga upuan, yung mga blackboard. Ginawa niyang high-tech. At syempre, lahat po ng mga silid-aralan naging air-conditioned na. Big time na po kami sa Universidad de Manila. Angkop na tawaging Technology Wing. Maraming salamat po, Regent Francis Chua, sa napakahalagang partner dito sa aming Universidad de Manila. Siguro alam na alam ni Regent Chua na hindi naman po walang kakayahan ang pamalansod ng Maynila na ibigay ang lahat ng mga kinakailangan namin. Kaya't napakaswerte po namin na siya po ay naging miyembro ng Board of Regents ng Universidad de Manila. Ang mga ganito pong pagbabago sa mga facilities ng aming mga pampublikong paaralan ay isa po sa mga priority ng aming pamahalang lokal. In fact, meron na po tayong 3 bagong mga state-of-the-art na school buildings na inaugurate din namin kamakailan lang. We have yung Manila Science High School, sinundan ng Rosario Almario Elementary School, at kamakailan lang po ay yung Dr. Alejandro Albert Elementary School dyan sa San Pablo. Lahat po ay pawang may mga 10 palapag na mga gusali na bigyan ng mga makabagong kagamitan. Lahat ng mga classroom, may aircon na rin. At syempre, may elevator na rin. Mayroon din po magagandang gymnasium, auditorium. Lahat po ng maaari nyo makita sa mga private schools, meron na rin po ang aming mga public schools. So, inaasahan po natin na sa lahat ng mga ganito nangyari sa lungsod ng Maynila, partikular na sa larangan ng edukasyon, ay makapagbigay ng inspiration sa mga batang Manilenyo, na lalong magsipag at magsikap, lalong-lalo na po sa kanilang pag-aaral. Wala naman po kaming hinihingi na kapalit, kundi ang pagbutihan nila ang kanilang pag-aaral dahil lahat ng kanilang mga pangangailangan ay pilit po namin ibinibigay. Alam naman po ninyo na ang ating dalawang pampublikong universidad, ang ating mga mag-aaral ay alagang-alaga. Hindi lamang po libre ang edukasyon nila, bagkus may natatanggap pa po silang allowance galing po sa pamalanungsod ng Maynila. Lahat po ito ay magkakaugnay sa tinatahak nating direction sa pamamahala. Kasi ang layunin natin ay magkaroon ng isang maringal na Maynila o ang tinatawag namin Magnificent Manila pagdating ng taong 2030, na kung saan ay mapapabilang na ang Maynila sa tinatawag nating world-class cities. Para po sa kaalaman ninyo, noong mga unang panahon, ang Maynila po ay tinagurian isa sa mga world-class cities. Pero noong mga nakaraang panahon din, tila ba medyo bumababa na. Hindi na at par ang ating lungsod. Nakakalungkot di po ba, lalo na tayo ang kapitolyo ng ating bansa. Kaya nga po nagsusumikap kami na ibigay ang lahat ng dekalidad na serbisyo. Mapataas ang antas ng pamumuhay ng bawat isang Manilenyo nang sa gayon ay maging competitive na po tayo muli, lalong-lalo na sa larangan ng edukasyon. At sa tulong po ng mga katulad ng isang Regent Ambassador Francis Chua, wala pong imposible na maabot ang ating pinapangarap. Muli po, maraming salamat, Regent Chua. Huwag po sana kayo magsasawa na tumulong sa UPA. Nagpaparinig na po ako. At syempre, hindi lang po sa Universidad de Manila, pati lang po, idamay nyo na ang buong lungsod ng Maynila. Ang mga katulad po ninyo ay kailangan po namin dito sa City of Manila. At sa ating pong pamunuan ng UDM, kina Dr. Pelma, sampu ng lahat ng Board of Regents, ay, at syempre lahat ng gagamit ng ating technology wing, sana alagaan ninyo ito. Sana mas marami pang makinabang dito sa ating technology wing sa mga susunod na taon. Nang sa gayon po, mas marami pang mga kabataang Manilenyo ang makagamit ito. Congratulations, Universidad de Manila. Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Our honorable speaker for today is a keenly intelligent business leader, visionary, and a sought-after multi-awarded speaker in business, entrepreneurship, management, and economics field here and abroad. He started his career with a strong foundation. He finished his high school in Xavier School as valedictorian, and he did industrial engineering at UP Diliman. Due to his numerous accomplishments, he received a Doctor of Business Technology honoris causa from IRIS, a Doctor of Humanities honoris causa from Central Luzon State University, and a Doctorate Fellowship Award from the Academy of Multi-Skills in the United Kingdom. At present, he is the founding chairman of the International Chamber of Commerce Philippines, Philippine Silk Road International Chamber of Commerce, and Chairman Emeritus of the Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry Incorporated. Head Honorary Commissioner of the Buddhist True Chi Foundation. Director of Philippine Exporter Confederation Incorporated, Board of Director of Bigo Telecommunity Corporation, Vice Chairman of Negros Navigation to Go, and Basic Energy Corporation, Board of Director National Grid Corporation of the Philippines, Global Ferro-Nickel Incorporated, and Platinum Group Metals Corporation. Chairman of Columbus Capitana and Bank of Commerce, founding chairman of BA Securities Incorporated, and President of Philippine Satellite Corporation. He is also the Consulate General of the Republic of Peru in Manila. In the field of academia, he is a former member of the Board of Regents of the University of the Philippines 2005-2007. Currently, he is a member of the Board of Trustees of the UP Foundation, Xavier School, Fushu University, and Huaqiao University. He was the former president of the Chamber of Commerce of the Philippine Islands, the commissioner of the Constitutional Commission that reviewed the 1987 Constitution, and the Presidential Anti-Organized Crime Commission, Honorary Trade and Investment Representative of the Department of Trade and Industry, and Special Advisor on Economic Affairs of the House of Representatives. His outstanding performance in different fields of endeavor made him reap the following awards: the UP Gawad Oblation Award in 2023, given by the University of the Philippines Office of the President, Distinction Award for the Industrial Engineering Profession in 2022, given by the Philippine Federation of Professional Association, Hall of Fame Award for promoting Philippine-China Understanding in 2021, Presidential Excellence Award in 2020, given by the Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Most Influential Man of the Year in 2020, given by the Philippine Cancer Society, Asia Top Entrepreneurs Award in 2017, SRCIC Outstanding Leadership Award in 2017, Federation of Filipino-Chinese Chamber of Commerce and Industry Incorporated, Outstanding Leadership and Service Award in 2014. In Employers Confederation of the Philippine Distinct Service Award, Honorary Fellow of ASEAN Federation of Engineering Organization 2013, Management Man of the Year 2011, given by the Philippine Council of Management, Outstanding Dignitary Award in 2012, UP Alumni Award for Community Service in 2006 national level, Outstanding Alumnus of Hope Christian High School and Chiang Kai-shek College, Presidential Medal or Merit as COMCOM Commissioner. These are just some of the few of the accolades he received, and the list is still long. Furthermore, our speaker's wisdom and eloquence made him land in various local and international events, notable of which are the following: Speaker in the World Political Party Summit, Reconnect and Reinforce Hong Kong, the Philippines Partnership, is among the panelists in China-ASEAN Business Leaders Forum and special meetings on the 30th anniversary of China-ASEAN Dialogue Relations. Panelists in the China Chamber of International Cooperation in 2020, the Chinese listed companies to build the Belt and Road International Cooperation meeting. Indeed, we are very fortunate enough to give him or have him as one of the members of the UDM Board of Regents. His wisdom, intelligence, and wealth of experience greatly benefited the UDM community, especially in rebranding UDM and its quest for a full-fledged higher education institution. But most of all, his greatest distinction in his sense of humanity. He works tirelessly and selflessly for the benefit of the country and values his different mandates for the sake of his people, especially the youth here in UDM, where he has shown his extreme generosity both to the students and employees. That's why we are gathered here today to inaugurate one of his many legacies, the Ambassador Dr. Francis Chua Technology Week. Ladies and gentlemen, colleagues, and Burr Lions, let us all rise and give honor to our speaker, Ambassador and Regent Dr. Francis Chua.
Maraming salamat. Maniniwala na po sa sarili ko. Kay may totoo. Salamat na. Mayor Hani Lacuna, the Honorable Vice Mayor Nieto, Mr. and Mrs. Rene Simulan, Mr. Lee Flores, one of the greatest, shall I say, this one is famous for his bakery shop, which is a forum that tackles all kinds of issues in the field. But I have to warn you, that shop does not have the air conditioning. So I'm telling him that I'm going to donate to him some aircon para hindi mo mahirapan. Di ba? Mr. and Mrs. Chiricua, please arise. Very soon there will be one of our co-directors of the school. Of course, my family, my beloved wife, Betty, my son, everybody in the family here, except my grandson and my granddaughter. I think they're still in the school because their school does not follow their international school. So international school is a different kind of schedule. UDM Board of Regents, Jess Barrera, nawala. Regent Castillo, Regent Yamur, Regent Rugoso, Regent Cora Bilote, Regent Arnold, Karen, and Attorney Marcos. Do you have any relation with our President? Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Alam po ninyo, ako po ay isang simple na negosyante. Ang harap ko lang ay makakapagtulong sa education. Kasi ako'y naniniwala ang isang bansa kung gusto natin mapaunlad ay dapat simula sa edukasyon. sa mga magulang, pakiusap ko sa inyo. Sa bahay, mag-set tayo na magandang ehemplo sa mga anak natin. Kung tayo po ay makaawa sa asawa natin, wag sa harap ng bata. Baka naman ma-influence siya ng bata. Ako po ay nagpapasalamat sa inyo kasi bilang magulang, you choose to bring your son, your daughter, to Luzon ng Manila, and especially to UP. You have all kinds of choices. There are so many schools in the Philippines. Nobody forces you, but you choose to send in class because you believe in the mayor, the vice mayor, and of course, our beautiful principal. Palakpakan lang po natin. Alam po ninyo, ang edukasyon ay nagsisimula sa bahay. Hindi ko sa eskwela. Tayo dapat maging best example sa mga anak natin. Huwag natin mag-away sa harap nila. Dapat natin turo nila kung ano magandang mali. Kapulang po sa linggo, pasisimpa. Pamit kayo ng ma-elders, magmamano. Yan po ang nasa kultura ng Pilipino. Sa pag-aaral naman, hindi yung simple lang, pasok tayo sa eskwela, nag-aaral na tayo. No. After that, yung nag-aaral na natin, ay kailangan gamit natin. Kailangan natin gamit sa wastong paraan. Kailangan namin natin sa tulong sa bayan. Kailangan natin magpapabulat ang bansa natin. Alam ko ninyo, ang bansa natin ay hindi ho malaki. Maliit po tayo, pero tayo ay blessed by God. Alam mo bakit? Lahat ng mina, gold, copper, nickel, nandito po sa atin. Lahat ng isda, nandito po rin sa Pilipinas. Yung manyok dati, yung saging, lahat tayo po ay meron. Alam mo niyo sa Pilipinas, wala akong magugutom kung magtsaka lang tayo. Lahat na po tayo ay gayaman. Huwag niyo sasabihin sa akin na ang dayuhan ang dapat maging mayaman. Ang dapat, ang Pilipino ay laging naging mayaman. Mabuhay! Ang eskwela natin hindi mabuhay po ang Pilipinas. Salamat po.
Thank you very much, Dr. Chua. For a lighter side of our program, we will be entertained by Mr. Gerald Hernandez, a student from the College of Education.
Hello po, ma'am.
you very much, Gerald. At this point, we would like to acknowledge our Vice Mayor John Marvin Yunservon. Let's now listen to the acceptance from the University President, Dr. Thelma Carlos Jr.
Okay, magandang hapon, UDM! Ako, talagang mainit, no? Mainit, pero nakikita ko ang ngiti, no? Sa mga mukha ng aking mga kasamahan dito sa UDM at sa ating mga estudyante. So, first of all, the Chairman of the Board of Regents of UDM, Honorable Mayor Hani Lapunapangan, to our Vice Mayor, John Marvin Yunservon, and to our members of the Board of Regents, I see Regent Cora Guidote. We also have Regent Castillo here. We have Regent Jassy. Of course, we have Regent Jess Varela. Do we have our student regent around? Yes, okay. So, Regent Noda. And did I miss any of our regents who are able to attend this afternoon? Okay, to our very special guests, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. To the family of Ambassador Francis Chua and to the man of the hour, Ambassador Francis Chua. Good afternoon. I would just like to say that the donation of the Ambassador Francis Chua Wing is such a big contribution to the university. It has such a big impact. Since I started my administration, there's no greater goal than for us to have our institutional recognition. At hindi po lingid sa kaalaman, lalo na po doon po sa nagagaling sa College of Engineering and Technology. Ikatlong school year na po, hindi po kami makatanggap ng mga first year engineering students. Kasi po, when I entered the university, we were told by the Commission on Higher Education na kulang po ang facilities. So we were asked, will you be able to comply in 6 months? And dahil po sa laki ng investment na kailangan para po magpatayo ng mga laboratories, we had to admit defeat. So napakalungkot po nung in-announce namin, lalo na sa mga faculty na talagang nagmamalasakit para sa ating mga mag-aaral, na we had to say na hindi po muna tayo pwedeng tumanggap ng engineering students. So we just concentrated on IT. Meron po kaming computer laboratory na pinagkakasya po namin. E napaka-in-demand ng IT, no? Right now. Hindi po kami makadagdag ng dalawang sections lang kasi po alam namin na kulang ang aming facility sa tahanapan po kami. So ngayon po gusto ko po talagang saluduhan ang first and foremost ang faculty ng College of Engineering and Technology. Kasi po, can you believe it, nairaos namin, napakarami po ang actual na pumasa sa board ng engineering dahil po kulang ang aming mga facilities at equipment. So wala po tayong masasabi kung hindi, talaga po kasing dedicated ang mga faculty ng ating CEP. Kaya maraming salamat po sa inyo. Gusto ko rin pong magpasalamat because you have patience. Sabi po namin, maghintay lang sandali, ibabalik natin siya. Lahat tayo magtutulong-tulong para maibalik natin ang pag-o-offer ng engineering. At ito na po, di ba, abot kamay na. Maraming salamat po, Ambassador Francis Chua. Ganun po kasi ka-significant yung naging donation nyo dito sa aming school. At sa lahat po, sa lahat ng mga estudyante ng Engineering and Technology, ang mga IT students natin, ito na, alam ko kung ano yung mga feedback na ibinigay nyo noong gumagamit pa kayo ng lumang computer laboratory natin, na minsan sa kupalangan, kayo na lang ang nagdadala ng sarili nyong gadget, no, sa eskwelahan. Pero unti-unti, di ba, dahil sama-sama tayo, dahil lahat tayo naniniwala, lahat tayo may malasakit sa pinakamamahal nating universidad. So ngayon po, meron na pong Wi-Fi access sa lahat ng dako ng universidad. At unti-unti po tayong nag-improve ng ating buildings, no? And lahat po yan, ng inspiration ng lungsod ng Maynila is, kasi we are able to graduate quality, no, citizens na nakakatulong din po sa ating syudad, nakakatulong po sa ating bansa at sa buong mundo. So, ganoon lang po. Ayan lang ang aking panaginip, no, as the head of the institution. Yun lang po, na makapag-churn tayo na graduates who are ready for the global demands, no? Kung hindi nga po global demands kaagad, para lang dito po sa lungsod ng Maynila. And they are everywhere. Nagkaroon po kami ng alumni celebration at tuwang-tuwa po ako kung saan na po nakarating ang ating mga alumni. So, tuloy-tuloy at sama-sama lang po tayo, no? I know that we can reach greater heights, and with very big hearts such as the one of Ambassador Francis Chua, sa tingin ko po, mas mabilis, no, tayo makakarating sa gusto nating puntahan. Ngayon po, hindi ko kayang palampasin ang pagkakataon na ito. On behalf of UTM, 10 ng aking mga kasama, lahat po ng guests natin dito, lahat ng mga estudyante, gusto ko lang pong bumati ng advance happy birthday kay Mayor Hani. Okay? Malapit na po ang kanyang kaarawan. Hindi ko akalain, no, na imbis na nagmumukhang mas matanda every year, pabata ng pabata ang itsura. So, may I just ask everyone to sing a birthday song for our beloved Mayor? Choir? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Hindi pwede talaga. So, Mayor, continue to be a blessing. Ramdam na ramdam po namin ang pagmamahal niyo sa UTM. And we are hoping that the blessings that you shower upon each and every Manileño will return to you 100-fold. So, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Salamat.
Thank you, Ma'am Thelma. We will now proceed to the unveiling of the vase. And this will be followed by the blessing and ribbon cutting of the Ambassador Francis Chua wing at the third floor. The ushers and ushers will lead you the way, but we will start with the unveiling of the vase. This will be led by our Honorable Mayor and the Vice Mayor, assisted by the President, the Board of Leaders. We would like to invite also the family of Dr. Francis Chua to join the unveiling ceremony. 1, 2, 3. We will now proceed, after the picture taking, we will proceed at the third floor.
Ma'am, picture po. Yeah, picture.
Atas po tayo para makuha po lahat.
Yes.
Atas po tayo, atas po lahat. Atas po lahat. Okay po. 1, 2. Another one po. 1, 2, 3. Last one. 1, 2, and 3. Thank you po.
Closer po, closer. Ito naman, tapos ay lahat. Ready?
Okay.